Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of my video on MySQL language where we will be learning about DML, Data Manipulation Language. In our previous video, we have covered the topic DDL, Data Definition Language. If you haven't checked my previous video, please check it out. The link is given in the description. Let's look at the contents of our today's video. Today we'll be starting with a brief introduction about what is DML. Then we'll be looking on its common uses. After that we'll be going through some uses of commands like insert, update and delete command. Also I will be demonstrating it practically. DML. What does that mean? By the name we could understand it is something related to manipulation of data. Now manipulation of data. What does manipulation of over here means? Data manipulation is the process of changing, organizing or managing data to make it more readable and useful by using insert, update, delete commands. DML manipulation is a subset of SQL that deals with the manipulation of data stored in a database. Its operations are crucial for interacting with the managing data within a database. Now, let's look at some of the common uses of DML. In manipulation of data, as we have already discussed earlier, we use some common function or commands, which we will be looking at now. Number one, insert command, which is used to add new records or rows to a table. Number two, update command, which is used to modify existing records in a table based on a specified condition. Last one, delete command, which is used to remove record from a table based on a specified condition. Let's look at the insert command in more detail. The insert command in database manipulation language DML is used to add new record into a database table. It allows us to specify values for each column, creating a new row of data. This command helps expand the database by adding fresh information, making it crucial for populating and updating data in a table. The insert command can insert values into all columns or selected columns of a table. It can also insert one row at a time or select several rows from an existing table and insert them all at once. Let's look at the example. The basic syntax for adding rows to a SQL table is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, etc. And we can insert values, value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. Let's look at how we will be using insert command in MySQL command line. In my previous video, I have already discussed on how we should be creating a table and work on it. If you don't know how to create table, then you can watch the video, link mentioned in the description. We can use the insert command in database manipulation language. In student table 3, we can insert value by using insert option. Let's look how to insert value. For example, insert into student 3 values. Student 3 values 102, comma, student name, upon student city, Mumbai, student fees, semicolon, query OK. Next, insert into student 3 values. (103) and we can change the name from here. Naina, student city, same also we can keep. Student fees 1000. Then query OK. Now next value, student 3 values, again we can change the number, student ID number 104 student name, Reshmi, student city, Kolkata, student fees 1000. Now we can use select command to select the table. Select star from student 3 semicolon. Now we can see the values of table. Let's look at the update command in more detail. Now we have update command. Now before we dive into the topic, we have to know what is update here. Because if we understand what is update, then we could easily understand the use of the command. The SQL update command is used to change or modify existing record in a table. It is part of the data manipulation language, which means it only modifies the data in a table without affecting the table structure. Now let me explain you update with an example. School fees changes time to time and needs to be updated in the table, then we can use update command. The update command can be used to update a single row, all rows, or a set of rows based on a condition. It can also update single columns or multiple columns. Updating a specific record, we have to use where command, where clause with update command. Update student 3. Here we have to use set command. Student fees equal to 1200. Where clause we have to use to update specific record, where as name, student name equal single quotation Arpita. In varchar or string character we have to use single quotation. For terminate the command we have to use semicolon. Query okay. Next, to update all records, we have to avoid where clause. We can use update command. Updating all records, avoid where clause to update all the data of one or more columns of a table. For update command, we have to type update student 3 set command with as fees, means student fees equal 1250 semicolon. To see the changes, we can type select command, select star from student 3 semicolon, press enter. Now we can see the changes. Now we can see the use of the limit command. Limiting number of records to be updated. Limit command is used to limit the number of rows to be updated using update command. Following statement, we can type update student 3 set as fees equal to 1300 limit 2 semicolon. Only 2 row will be changed. We have to type select star from student 3 semicolon. Now we can see the changes of limit command. Now the most easiest one, which should be known to everyone, that is the delete command. So let's move on to it. Before we move on to its uses and how we will be using it, we have to know what is delete, right? So what is delete? Delete is a command that helps the users to delete or remove anything that we don't want. For an example, when you don't want any app in your phone or any other device, you just delete it. Similarly, we use delete command in MySQL to delete any existing record or entire field or whole table. The delete statement in SQL removes specified records from a table. It includes a where clause and that should be correct before executing the statement. The where clause is optional and identifies the rows in the column that gets deleted. Some example of the SQL delete statement are: to delete one record, we have to use delete from birthday table name where ID equal to 4 semicolon. Delete the table. Delete command can be used to remove by using delete command. Execute the delete statement without where clause to remove all the records, and we can use limit keyword to delete particular number of records. Now to delete a record from student 3, delete from student 3 where student ID 101 within single quotation semicolon, query OK. Now we can see by using select command, select asterisk from student 3 semicolon, we can see already 101 deleted. Now next, if you want to delete any student name, then we have to type delete from student 3 where S name means student name equal to Orpon within single quotation semicolon, query OK. Now we can see the changes by using select command, select asterisk from student 3 semicolon. Now you can see the deleted one part. Thank you everyone. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and leave a comment if you have any doubt or have any suggestion about the topic of my next video.